Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check to-do list on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my garden, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. Now, if you want to check your to-do list and your jobs, go to the lower left corner of the screen, the list button, and here you can check the to-do list. For example, I have the sweep the area thing. You can check your inbox and you can check your emails and about notifications about the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.